Apple App Store bans Vigilante app. Uber's biggest launch since 2012. ClassPass ditches unlimited tier and more. It's Wednesday, November 2nd, and this is Crunch Report. Welcome to the Crunch Report. Get up from your chair and do some stretches, because I heard it's good for you. You got to get those stretches in. You don't want to get achy and But let me get you some tech news. A controversial crime reporting app called Vigilante has been kicked out of the App Store for an app that encouraged vigilantism and led to the potential for violent responses and racial profiling. The app had only been live for a week in New York before getting the boot. Apple doesn't typically comment on app removals, and besides the issues of racial profiling, Apple confirms that the app was removed because of a clause in Apple's App Developer Review Guidelines, which bans apps that encourage or risk physical harm. The app developer, a company called Spawn, said it's working with Apple to resolve the issue and still plans on shipping a version of the app on Android. ClassPass, the subscription service for boutique fitness, has today canceled its unlimited membership option, the most expensive tier offered by the company. The reason for this is the business model of offering users unlimited workouts at studios was just not cost effective. ClassPass pays boutiques for each class its users take. These payments are at a steep discount to what an average consumer would pay, but even with the discount, active ClassPass users could and did easily cost the company money each month. In an open letter to the community, CEO Payal Kadakia said, "The truth is, there is a fundamental problem with the unlimited plan. It can't be a long-term membership option because it doesn't align our business with our promise. What kind of business would we be if we wanted our members to work out less to reduce costs? We'd be sabotaging the vision at the very heart of the company." Uber, in an effort to get you where you want to go faster, announced a major redesign to their app today that lets you call a car by simply thinking about a place you want to go. Okay, not quite, but you don't actually have to do much more than think after the new tweaks. You now get suggestions of places you are likely headed with a feature called Shortcuts. It uses past behavior along with your calendar to predict desired routes. You can also track your friends if you so choose and type in a friend as a destination. I really hope Uber has built in a failsafe for people like me, because I would totally try to set up an Uber race with my friend in another moving Uber. Damn, I wonder if they thought of that. The update with these features, estimated time of arrival, and recommended pickup spots will be rolling out to iOS and Android in the coming weeks. We've been following the 22 teams currently competing in SpaceX's competition for the best Hyperloop pod design for quite some time. But yesterday, one very large 120-person team from the University of Waterloo was actually able to demo a preliminary pneumatic levitation system that was part of Elon Musk's initial vision for the system. The group still has a long way to go and would need to add self-propulsion for any real-world implementation. But the accomplishment is notable because it was done by students without the same resources as companies like HTT and Hyperloop One. The aptly named Waterloop is fundraising on Kickstarter and has until January 2017 to finalize its entry for the competition. This show is created using Adobe Creative Cloud, and really, like 99% of everything we make at TechCrunch, somewhere along the pipeline, it touches either Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere, or After Effects. So to me, something I use every day gets me excited. Adobe is updating Creative Cloud. Now, I'm not going to go through every single update because that would take way too long. But the article on TechCrunch is a recommended read if it's something that floats your boat. That's the report for today. I'm Tito Hamzy. Crunch Report airs every weekday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific on TechCrunch.com. You can also find us on iTunes and on YouTube. See you tomorrow!